लाल पीले जितने भी सब ले ले, लाल भर पीले और नीले।
चलो थैंक यू भैया। अरे थैंक यू सो मच यार, थैंक यू यार। So Godrej Retreat Faridabad plots, the construction is going on in full speed inside the campus. So let me show you it from inside. आज अंकित मलिक आपका होस्ट और दोस्त गुड़गांव माई शॉप डील से। फरीदाबाद में Godrej has launched the products retreat plots before 6-7 months in sector 85. So the construction is going on at a full-fledged speed. This is a recent scene of the construction of the Godrej Retreat Faridabad plots, and this sold almost all the units of the plots of the first phase, and the construction is going on. This sector 85 is well connected in the Faridabad area. It's just a 10-minute drive from Radisson Blu and all the major commercials. Like it is a 5-minute drive from Omex World Street. It's a very well located sector and it is a very big campus. So the Godrej has divided the entire projects in the 5 to 6 pockets of different themes, gardens, fragrance theme, flower themes, and the clubhouse area. And the construction is also going with a full speed for the designing of the roads, designing of the parks. Plus the another advantage in this project is they have their own clubhouse in this project. So I'll just give a detailed review and description of the project and the highlights, because very soon they are going to launch the second phase also of the Godrej Retreat. So that is one of the finest commercial residential plots in the Faridabad in sector 85. So it is good to invest. These are the luxury floors which they launched under the Deen Dayal Awas Yojana, starting from 110 to 190 square yard, and the construction is again going at a full speed. Very soon I will share the detailed review of the project of Godrej Retreat Faridabad. But first time Godrej enter in the plots in Delhi NCR, and it is a very beautiful pockets concept with a different theme based concept. But I am just currently showing you that if you want to invest in the Faridabad in the plots area, then Godrej Retreat is one of the option which you can consider. So everything is nearby, major schools, hospitals, hotels, all are just within the distance of 5 to 10 minutes from this sector 85 of Godrej Retreat. So I'll just make a very soon in the new video so that you can understand what are the amenities, what are the features, what are the specifications, how this product has been come out. I think this is the word of construction for the clubhouse is going on. So let me show you the construction part also. So see, the clubhouse work is on. So you can see a lot of thing is coming up, shaping up. Clubhouse is shaping up inside the thing. The street work is going on, the landscaping work is going on. So it's one of the best product which Godrej launched in sector 85 in Faridabad area, very near to Omex World Street. जो सामने आपको दिख रहा है, that is Omex World Street. very near to the Puri residentials also, very near to your Radisson Blu Faridabad, 10 to 15 minute drive from there. So it is a very good product if you want a gated community with a clubhouse and plots. So I highly recommend it and made a detailed video on the review of this product. So thank you so much for watching. आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अंकित मलिक. जल्दी ही लाता हूँ गोदरेज रिट्रीट का रिव्यू वीडियो आप सब लोगों के लिए. जस्ट स्टे सेफ, टेक केयर and see you soon.